Hi, and welcome to this course on Java-based JSON libraries. In this course, we are going to learn about the most popular and commonly used JSON libraries available in Java. If you are a beginner, you might often feel confused about which JSON library to use. And if you are a working professional, you may still wonder which library is best suited for your project. Don't worry, in this course, we will cover all these aspects in detail, which will help you confidently choose the right library for your use case. First, let's quickly look at the main topics of this course. In this introduction video, we will keep things at a very high level so you know exactly what to expect from the upcoming tutorials. We will begin with a quick introduction to JSON. Before diving into libraries, it is important to understand what JSON actually is and where it is used. If you are new to JSON, this will help you build a strong foundation. And if you have already worked with JSON, this will act as a refresher. After that, we will explore the most popular Java-based JSON libraries used in real-world projects. The first library we will cover is Jackson. Jackson is one of the most powerful and widely used JSON libraries in Java. It is known for its high performance and is commonly used in production-grade mission-critical applications. Jackson is also the default JSON library used in the Spring Boot framework. In the upcoming videos, we will explore why Jackson is often considered the best choice for complex and large-scale applications. Next, we will look at JSON, which is developed by Google. JSON is also very popular and is preferred for small to medium sized applications. One of its biggest advantages is its simplicity and lightweight nature. It also requires minimal configuration to get started. After that, we will discuss org.json and org.json.simple. They look similar as their package names are almost same, but believe me, they are completely different libraries. These libraries are also lightweight. Currently, they are less popular, but they are still useful in scenarios where you want very minimal configuration, simple JSON parsing, or object mapping. We will cover both of them also in detail. Finally, we will wrap up this course with detailed comparison of all these libraries. After knowing all about these libraries in detail, we will compare and analyze their key features like which has better performance, which library has rich API features, which one is great for just started, and so on. This comparison will help you choose the right JSON library based on your specific requirements. In the next video, we will start with our first topic, quick introduction to JSON. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Until then, see you in the next video.